Good morning. Let's graduate.
No, I'm not afraid to die. It's every breath that comes before. Heartache, I've heard, is part of life. I've broken
First try.
Bitches!
No way! Line of comedy, and we can learn to love without demand, with unreserved honesty. At my door, and suffering is all there is to gain in life.
End of season 4. End of season 4.
Jay, if you had one piece of advice for anyone in college right now, what would it be?
Define your own college experience and don't listen to anybody, including your professors.
It would just be to do stuff, explore buildings that aren't in your major, explore the building that is in your major, see the city that you're in.
Never mind.
Time is the most valuable resource you'll have in college because these 4 years will go by really quickly.
Oh! Okay. If I have one piece of advice.
This may sound stupid, but use it. Actually use your college. Use your university. Exploit them.
If you blend into the other school's sections, you can get their merchandise. The thing is, no matter how much tuition you pay, they will never give you enough free merchandise. From day one, collect as much as you can to represent your school. Because even if you don't have sports, school spirit is everything.
Let me think.
Really make sure that you get to the laundry machines at like 4 a.m. because that's the only time it's gonna be open.
And Tien's an RA, so they know.
Oh yeah.
They know when to go to the laundry room.
Do well. I mean, college is kind of easy. I'm not gonna lie. So like, yeah.
Don't climb a wall when you're drunk. You think you're strong enough to do it, but you're not.
Make the most of every opportunity. Even if nobody goes with you, just go to every event. Come to Yankees games too.
Come to Yankees games.
Just come by yourself. No one wants to go with you.
Work hard, but nothing is as serious as you think it is. But that doesn't mean that you can't still work hard for it, but just remember to enjoy yourself.
Don't stop exploring, keep learning.
Have fun, these things don't matter at all.
The next video, well, we won't be in college anymore. How many days until grad? 0. This camera is about to die. We'll see how much more we can film.
I will wait for this to end. I still remember freshman year. The washing machines being full was our greatest fear. And we were so worried if we'd meet a soulmate on the first day of class.
How did you guys both spill?
Wait, I spilled too? Oh, wait, I was on the pavement.
Oh, God. I feel like I'm stuck on a train and it's going on so fast.
Alrighty.
No time to have down.
Listen, guys, you're gonna have a lot of dumb ideas, but honestly, some ideas are just dumb. I don't really know what to tell you, but hey!
The tragedy of a college senior, and sometimes I just want to say,
Guys, just come down a row. Come down a row.
take me
Go to Comic-Con.
to when I was still inspired. 'Cause now I'm just always tired and I don't have time for friends. Take me back
When I thought life was easy.
'cause now I'm just always crazy. When will this feeling end? Every semester I had in college, I got straight A's. And I finally learned how to drive on every single New York highway. And I fell in love for the first time right after turning 21. How can I finally feel like a senior when school is already done? So take me back to when I was still inspired. 'Cause now I'm just always tired and I don't have time for friends. Take me back to when I thought life was easy. 'Cause now I'm just always crazy. When will this feeling end? It end. Take me back. Can we take this life thing slower? College is already over, yet I still feel like a kid.